Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb. Yeah, 2010 government pass question. Question number 49. And the question number 49 says the Secretary General of the United States, United Nations, is appointed by the dash. That is question number 49. The Secretary General of the United Nations is appointed by the dash. So the question simply means who or which organ of the UN appoint or has the power to appoint the the Secretary General. So that is what the question is saying. Option A say permanent members of the Security Council on the recommendation of the General Assembly. Option B say General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. C say General Assembly in plenary session. This is Security Council acting alone. The organ that has the power to appoint the Secretary General of UN is the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.